Hello there. Today we're going to do a little research on catapults, or basically siege weaponry. And next week we're going to build some form of a design. So your research today is pretty important because you're going to pick what design you want to do next week. Your assignment is linked in Schoology here in Google Drive, so go ahead and open it. Don't forget to hit edit and then hit submit when you are done in the assignment. So basically you're going to research different types of catapults, and particularly the ones that are listed here. We have trebuchets, ballistas, onagers, and mangonels, perhaps is how we pronounce it. Now you can let me know if there's a different way. I can learn something new today. So the information that you want to include is the name, which I've actually already done on the slides for you. I've added a slide for each one of them over here. And I want to know, what was the main purpose of this weapon? Why did they do a design like this? What the strengths were and weaknesses, and picture, and would you choose to this design to build for next week? Why or why not? Pretty simple. So it shouldn't take you too long to get through this. Then keep in mind which one you want to build for next week, because we're going to provide you some materials, and we'll get that done and have some fun catapulting some things. So have a great day and take care.